Welcome, guys, welcome. So after the generator had refused to start, this is the next day. I have decided to try some things, maybe check if the fuel is flowing, to try and check if the fuel is flowing from the tank. I think we need to switch on this. You can see when I look at this pipe, it's too dry. The pipe is too dry. That means maybe there's a problem with the tank. There is not even a single drop coming from the tank, from the pipe. Welcome to Village Struggles Part 2. Village Struggles Part 2. I'm supposed to invent some things, but I do not have electricity, so I have to deal with this thing. So let's try and open the tank to see if petrol is flowing. Push it down. Look at this thing. There is no enough fuel flowing. Look at that, it's open. No enough fuel flowing. So that means I need to work. And there is fuel inside here. It's only that the tank is too small. So we need to bend it. I think, yeah, when I bend it, fuel flows. So I will have to start it. I will have to bend it and then start it. The thing is, there is fuel, but the tank is too small. Now that I've checked on fuel, I've known that fuel is the problem here, the first problem. The other thing I will need to do is to clean the plug. Yes, clean the plug, and then let's see what next. As you can see, it's quite dirty. I'll have to go clean it with petrol, and then I'll be back in a minute. It's time to try it. Now if it doesn't work, I'll try to check on other issues now. It's time to try it. I've already tried, cleaned the plug, and also worked on fuel. I added some fuel. Now I'll have to try it. If it doesn't work, now I'll have to use another formula. Yes, you see the reason why I'm struggling this way. I have to find electricity. It's because I have a lot of projects that I'm supposed to show you on how to build cheaper construction materials and other mechanical engineering videos. I will upload those videos. You'll be seeing them, so kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and let's keep watching and find the solution before now I start showing you those innovation videos. You don't want to miss those videos. They are very important for you. So after it failed, I decided to use another formula. Just pour fuel into the combustion chamber, some petrol, and then now try to turn it on. That's gonna be quite easy. Did you see that? Yes, it is showing signs. I think that is the formula that I'm going to use again. It is showing signs of starting. This formula will for sure start the generator. I need to pour more fuel inside here. This formula will have to work. This is the best formula according to me. I'll just pour more fuel in here. Wait and see. So there is no way this formula is going to fail. If it fails, I give up now. I'm tired. This one has to start.